Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make this Christmas wreath. Okay, you can hang this also onto a Christmas tree. To do this, I can use this type of yarn or a thicker yarn like this. If you use this type of yarn, you will have a big wreath. Okay, so I am going to make as a sample a small one. So make 10 wrappings on your 2 fingers. Likewise, if you want a bigger one, you can wrap over 3 fingers. But here I am going to use a smaller one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have wrapped it 10 times. Then slowly remove your fingers. Then you will have this type of thing. Then we are going to make double crochets into this large ring. One, two, three to get the height, and you can add double crochets into the ring until it fill with the double crochets. 3, 4. Actually no need of counting, you can just add double crochets until it get filled. Now I have finished with adding double crochets into the ring. Then I can join to the third chain of the beginning, 3 chains with a slip stitch. Now you can add these scallops like things. So you can change the color after making 1 chain. You can change the color. Fasten off. Then we can use red color into the same place. Join the red color yarn. With a knot. Now make 1 chain and 6 double crochets into the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then skip 2 stitches. Skip 2 stitches and join to the next stitch with a single crochet. Then skip again 2 stitches and into the next stitch make 6 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then skip 2 stitches and join to the next one with a single crochet. Then again skip 2 stitches and into the next stitch make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now skip 2 stitches and to the next one make a single crochet. This is the pattern. You can make this scallops like pattern up to this point. This is the last set of 6 double crochets. Then you can join to the third chain, the first DC with a slip stitch. Then you can make the handle or the loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can make the chains as you wish. Then you have to join to this same place with a slip stitch. Then make 1 chain and fasten off. Now you can make the bow with white color. Make a magic ring. Then make 4 chains. Because we are going to make a triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over twice. Insert the hook and release 2 loops. Then again release 2 loops. Finally the other 2 loops. Yarn over twice. Now you did 3 triple crochets, then make again 4 chains and join to the ring with a slip stitch. Okay, then again make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice. Make 3 triple crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Then make 4 chains and join to the magic ring with a slip stitch. Now you can close the magic ring. Then you can make 1 chain and fasten off. Now this is the bow you can have. After trimming these remaining yarn parts, you can glue it into this place. We'll trim the parts and glue it to this side. Again apply some glue. Now the wreath is done. Thank you for watching.